good to come down into the water like that. So smooth. It's like if God created a boat, he invented the lake airplane so we could do this. Now we're going to taxi back up for takeoff. And you'll have to make your calls for traffic and whatnot, I guess.